If you want to get the 360 effect, you can use this app. It's called Circular. Let's open it, and this is the first window that you'll see. So you have like some options around here, like some other apps, samples, and you can go there and see all the options that you have. But right now I'm just gonna go straight to the project. I'm gonna pick this image, and I'm gonna give you a couple advices here. And if you want to get like a better effect, like a better 360 effect, please make sure that you don't have the people like right next to the end of the photo, or like very close to the edges, because if you do that, the effect is not gonna look as good. But if you have your subject like on the center of the image of the picture, it's gonna look better. Like try to have some room up here, and also some room down here and on the sides. And if you do that, the effect is gonna work better. So I'm gonna leave the picture as it is. I'm not gonna make it square, and then I'm gonna tap right here on done, and then you'll see how the app works. And like you have right here on the bottom, you have like a bunch of controls, and that's so helpful because you can like switch around the picture, make it bigger, make it smaller, and you'll see. So let's try the zoom effect right here. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I'm gonna make it bigger because at the very end the picture is gonna look better square. So I'm just gonna try the other one. Like as you can see right here, it's gonna rotate, and this is why I told you to have the people like away from the edges, because as you can see, if you have people very close, this is like the end of the picture, and if you have people very close to it, it's gonna look like weird, but this image is gonna work well. So I'm just gonna rotate it back in place, and I'm gonna try the other effect. It's flip Y. As you can see, you can also do this kind of effect. I don't like it a lot. I like this one better because it looks kind of funny. And like on this one, you can like add the effect towards one side only, or the other one. You see, looks kind of cool. I'm gonna leave it like that, and then you can like move the picture to the top or to the bottom. I'm just gonna bring it a little bit more down, and I'm gonna go back on the controls, and I'm gonna rotate a little bit more like that. I like it like that, and then like this effect also, but I don't recommend to switch that one around. Overlap, like this is like kind of blurs the very end of the picture. As you can see, like right here, you can see the very end of the picture, but if you overlap it, it's gonna do this like kind of blur, and you won't see the effect as much, like the end of the picture as much. And now you can like make the little planet like more intense. Like you can see like this kind of bubble in our feet, and that's to give it like more that kind of effect of a small planet. In this case, I'm just gonna leave it like this, because I want to see our faces. Our faces look better like that, and also looks very funny. I love this effect. It makes me laugh. And like this, all this last effects, I don't use them a lot. And then at the very end, you have like this reset option. I'm just gonna leave it like that. I like it as it is, like with a big head and very long legs. It looks very funny. So the final thing that we're gonna do is just gonna save it right here. Just tap on save and save again, and then you'll save your picture, and this is the final result. It's gonna be in your photos. You can just take a look, and this is how it looks. As you can see, it's like a huge difference, and it doesn't look bad, and it doesn't lose a lot of quality. It looks nice too. And yeah, this is how you can have the 360 effect, or the kind of a tiny planet effect with people around. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.